Hi, I'm Dr. Monica Sharma, your sleep and wellness doctor. While many of us started off lockdown with good intentions, by now there is a feeling of irritability, boredom, and a glumness about being cooped up. And inevitably, this is causing many of us to turn to comfort eating. Mindless eating and drinking is the biggest lockdown pitfall, especially as the weeks go on. With weight being now seen as a significant risk factor for COVID 19, many are now trying to lose weight. The simplest and the easiest thing you can do today to start losing weight is start sleeping well. Yes, you heard it right. Sleep by far is the number one most underrated driver of fat loss. It has such huge impact, and most people don't realize how important sleep is for weight loss. So today I'm discussing ways sleep can actually help you to lose weight. So if you are one of those who's trying to lose weight, the amount of sleep you get may be just as important as the diet and exercise. Interestingly, mounting evidence shows that sleep may be the missing factor for many people who are struggling to lose weight. And here are the reasons why getting enough sleep may help you to lose weight. Number one, poor sleep is a major risk factor for weight gain and obesity. Poor sleep has repeatedly been linked to a higher BMI, which is body mass index, and weight gain. People's sleep requirements vary, but generally speaking, research has observed changes in weight when people get fewer than 7 hours of sleep a night. A major review found that short sleep duration increased the likelihood of obesity by 89% in children and about 55% in adults. There was another huge study which followed about 60,000 non obese nurses for 16 years. And at the end of the study, the nurses who slept 5 or lesser hours per night were 15% more likely to be obese than those who had slept at least 7 hours a night. Additionally, many sleep orders like obstructive sleep apnea, they are worsened by weight gain. So it's like a vicious cycle, and some people find it hard to escape. Poor sleep can cause weight gain, which can cause sleep quality to decrease even further. Secondly, poor sleep can increase your appetite. People who are sleep deprived, they have an increased appetite. And this is likely caused by the impact of sleep on two important hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, and also a stress hormone called cortisol. Ghrelin is a hormone released in the stomach that signals hunger in the brain. So levels are high before you eat, and that is when the stomach is empty, and low after you eat. Leptin is another hunger hormone which is released from fat cells. It suppresses hunger and signals fullness in the brain, that satisfaction you get after eating a big meal. So when you do not get adequate sleep, body makes more of ghrelin and less of leptin, which leaves you feeling hungry, and it increases your appetite, and that feeling of fullness or satisfaction is completely missing. A study of over 1,000 people found that those who slept for short durations had about 15% higher ghrelin levels and about 15.5% lower leptin levels than those who were getting adequate sleep. Short sleepers are also known to have higher BMIs. In addition to this, stress hormone called cortisol is also higher when you do not get adequate sleep. Number three, why the reason why you should be getting good night's sleep is that uh, it helps you fight cravings and make healthy choices, which is very, very important. Lack of sleep actually alters the way your brain works, and this may make it harder for your brain to make healthy choices and resist tempting foods. So, sleep deprivation will actually dull activity in the frontal lobe of the brain. The frontal lobe is in charge of decision making and self control. And it appears that reward centers of the brain are more stimulated by food when they are sleep deprived. Therefore, after a night of poor sleep, not only is that bowl of ice cream more rewarding, but you are likely to have harder time practicing self control. Furthermore, research has found that lack of sleep can increase your cravings for foods that are high in calories, carbs, and fat. So remember that poor sleep can decrease your self-control, your decision-making abilities, and can increase, the brain's reaction to food. And it is linked to higher intake of foods that are high in calories, fats, and carbs. So when you have poor sleep, there is increase in appetite. You end up making unhealthy choices. It results in increasing your calorie intake. So people who do not get good sleep, they tend to consume more calories. However, it may also simply be from an increase in the time spent awake and available to eat. This is especially true when the time spent awake is being active. Like you're watching television, you're binge watching. And we also have studies on sleep deprivation, which have found that large portion of excess calories were consumed as snacks after dinner. So, poor sleep can also increase your calorie intake by affecting your ability to control portion sizes. Poor sleep may decrease your resting metabolism. Your resting metabolic rate is the number of calories your body burns when you're completely at rest. Research indicates that sleep deprivation may lower your RMR, and poor sleep can actually cause muscle loss. More muscles burn more calories at rest than fat does. So when muscle is lost, resting metabolic rate decreases. So in a study, 10 overweight individuals, were put on a 14-day diet restriction, a moderate calorie restriction, and participants were allowed to sleep either for 8.5 hours or 5.5 hours. Both groups lost weight from both fat and muscle, but the one that were given 5.5 hours to sleep lost less weight from fat and more from muscle. Another reason why you should be sleeping well is because it enhances physical activity. A lack of sleep can cause daytime fatigue and making you less likely and less motivated to exercise. In addition, you are more likely to get tired during physical activity. Good sleep also prevents insulin resistance. Poor sleep can cause cells to become insulin resistant. Insulin is a hormone that moves sugar from the bloodstream into the body cells that is used as energy. So, when cells become insulin resistant, more sugar remains in the bloodstream and the body produces more insulin to compensate. Now, the excess insulin makes you feel hungrier and tells the body to store more calories as fat. Insulin resistance, we know, is a precursor for both type 2 diabetes and weight gain. And only a few nights of poor sleep can cause cells to become insulin resistant. So the bottom line is that getting good quality sleep is an important part of weight maintenance, and poor sleep dramatically alters the way your body responds to food. And to make matter worse, it becomes a vicious cycle. The less you sleep, the more weight you gain. The more weight you gain, the harder it is to sleep. And on the flip side, establishing healthy sleep habits, investing in your sleep, can actually help your body maintain a healthy weight. So I have given one more reason, for you to be taking your sleep seriously. Until next time, take good care of yourself and sleep well.